Are you still wasting hours manually updating tedious client spreadsheets? What if you could take that boring grid of data and literally turn it into a $30,000 a month software business without writing a single line of code? Today, we're doing a hardcore, no-nonsense breakdown of Jack's story. He's a founder who took a simple, repetitive daily task and used AI to build a massive Shopify SaaS product. Let's dive right into this high-density case study and see exactly how he pulled it off.
Here is our roadmap to deconstruct this project. First, the 30K MRR app itself. Then, the spreadsheet problem it solved. Next, building software with AI. After that, we'll look at the zero-code tech stack. And finally, the massive e-commerce SaaS opportunity. Section 1. The 30K MRR app, turning manual data into software.
Let's start with the hard numbers. Since getting officially approved by Shopify on Christmas Day, Jack's app, Profit AI, has generated exactly $147,000 in total revenue.
If we break down his current monthly run rate, the app is generating a highly profitable $30,000 in monthly recurring revenue, or MRR. And, just to give you the complete picture here, Jack is also running just under $40,000 a month in agency services right alongside this software.
But here's the crazy part. Jack wasn't technical. He literally went from zero to tens of thousands of dollars in revenue in just a few months, and he built this entire thing using AI. He didn't know how to code at all.
Section 2. The spreadsheet problem. The dorky origins of Profit AI.
Okay, so the painful old way meant building these really colorful but kind of dorky spreadsheets for e-commerce clients. It meant manually logging fixed and variable costs, just chewing up time to do the exact kind of complicated scenario planning that massive firms like Deloitte will charge you tens of thousands of dollars for. But the new way? That's the Profit AI app. It's a fully automated dashboard where users can see their exact profit in seconds, analyzing ad platform spend channel by channel, and the whole thing deploys directly through a Slack integration. Jack actually gave us his exact analytics. Right now, he has 122 total users, 39 paying customers, and 83 free users. Now, in the spirit of total transparency, he is dealing with some pretty high churn. He's bringing in about 47 installs, but seeing 43 uninstalls. But here's the thing. That free plan acts as a massive funnel. It triggers a 30-day free trial of the paid tier so users can experience the full dashboard. And right now, basically all of this growth is coming strictly from word of mouth. And this leads to a really crucial point, his pricing pivot. Initially, Jack actually priced the paid tier at $5,000 a month. Yeah, $5,000. But after getting just a couple of takers from his existing agency clients, he aggressively dropped that price down to $800 a month. That move instantly removed the friction and just totally opened up adoption for the broader market.
All right, Section 3, Building Software with AI, how Jack built it in 3.5 months. Now, this wasn't magic. It was a grueling iteration loop. Step 1, he downloaded his existing Google Sheet as a CSV file. Step 2, he uploaded that CSV straight into the AI coding environment, Cursor, and gave it a super simple prompt, build it. Step 3, he had to manually identify all the specific ways the AI messed up the math and calculation errors. And step 4, he prompted the AI to fix those exact calculations, and then he just iterated. This loop required hundreds of hours staring at the terminal. It took the better part of 3.5 to 4 months to really establish that initial working product.
Section 4. The zero-code tech stack. The exact tools powering a 30K MRR app. We went ahead and extracted the exact tools and costs from the source material. So he relies on Claude Code on the maximum plan, which caps out at $200 a month. He uses Instantly for his marketing campaigns, Framer for his website builder, and Codex within his terminal. Interestingly enough, he actually tried to cancel a $200 Codex plan, and they ended up giving him a 100% discount. So right now, that's completely free. And finally, he uses standard Google Sheets as a totally free database. So as you can see, this is an incredibly lean, low-overhead operation.
This operational philosophy here is remarkably simple. For example, when he needs to handle complex data for an agency down in Miami, Jack just uses the Profit AI Slack bot, which is essentially just a Claude wrapper. He literally just asks Claude to send the data to different spreadsheets. That's it. Just ask the AI to do the thing.
Section 5. The e-commerce SaaS opportunity. Why Shopify is the perfect playground.
Look, the Shopify ecosystem has a staggering density of revenue. Jack's Profit AI generates $30,000 a month, sure, but another founder, Ericos, built a Shopify e-commerce plugin that recently crossed $1 million a month. There's another highly specific reporting tool built just for Klaviyo email data pulling in $1 million a year.
B2B e-commerce brands desperately need automated reporting. That means the ceiling for these simple workflow automating plugins is just incredibly high. But please, do not mistake zero code for zero effort. Jack delivered a really harsh reality check in his interview. He said, don't aim for laziness. If your goal is, I want to make lots of money while doing nothing, you're going to get quickly replaced. See, AI levels the playing field by lowering the barrier to entry, but that just means the market moves faster. You absolutely still have to hustle, iterate, and solve hard calculation errors if you want to survive.
All right, let's quickly review the hard facts here. Jack took a manual spreadsheet, iterated in Cursor for 3.5 months, and built a Shopify app where he dropped the subscription from $5,000 down to $800 a month. Using a lean $200 a month AI stack, he acquired 39 paying users and hit $30,000 in MRR. So here's today's bottom line takeaway. The most lucrative software ideas are literally hiding in plain sight, right inside your boring daily spreadsheets. So if you were going to replicate this project today, what is the very first spreadsheet you'd hand over to Claude? Leave your step-by-step action plan in the comments below, and I will personally jump in to help you avoid those early pitfalls. Plus, the moment you drop a comment, you will instantly receive our full high-density tool checklist and mind map for this entire breakdown. Go get your data, fire up your terminal, and I'll see you in the next one.